Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm using my Totally Dipp'd powders to do a French and ombre nail design. So I start by pushing back my cuticles. Next, I'm using my circle bit to go around the cuticles and lifting all the dead skin from off the nail plate. Then I'm going in with my cuticle cutter to cut my excess cuticles. Next, I'm taking a 240 grit nail file and I lightly scratch up the surface of the nails to remove the shine, and I also shape the free edge of the nails. Now I'm going to be using these nail tips I got from Amazon, so I'm just finding my sizes. Next, I place the tips on my nails using ProDip Top Coat, which is also a glue. So while doing my pinky nail, I accidentally placed the tip on wrong, so you can see from the side that the tip is practically facing upwards, and that was my mess up. So in order to stop that from happening, when applying the tip, make sure it's applied downwards. It's really hard to explain, and actually showing you from the side would make me apply another nail tip wrong. So I hope you all understand, and I just continue with the rest of the nails. So from the side you can see a slight difference in the nails. I was going to remove it, but I just changed my mind and decided to do my nails with the tip looking like that. It wasn't that bad, to be very honest, but I just thought I should mention it. And then I cut the tips to my desired length. Then I file the tips into shape and remove the shine from the nail. So these are the liquids I'll be using today. I applied ProDip Prep to dehydrate the nails. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I applied base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I poured the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then poured the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. It's also an optional step. Now starting on the pinky nail, I'm doing an ombre with this nude color, and it's really dark and shimmery. I like it a lot. I did not expect it to be so dark though, but oh well, I guess. And I did 3 layers of the ombre, but I only showed 2 layers. Moving on to the middle nail, I did the same thing. So on this nail, I think the nude color was a bit too much for this nail. The ratio between the white and the nude wasn't balanced, but it still looked cute, you know. Now on the ring nail, I'm using my French nail cutter. So I placed base on the nail bed area only, or wherever on the nail I wanted this French nail to be, and then I poured the dip powder. Then using the nail cutter, I moved it from side to side to achieve the French smile line. I go from number 5 to number 4 so that the smile line could be a little more rounded. And I also did a few layers to build up the nail bed area. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well, and don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So next, I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden to begin my filing to get a neater, more rounded smile line. So in the meantime, I did the same for my index nail. So I'm just going to be showing you how I filed to get a neater smile line. So I go around the French line, and then I also filed the top of the nail and then the sides of the nails as well. When I'm done filing, I start applying the white dip powder to the tip area of the two nails. So I actually built up the white area to meet the nail bed area. So as you can see, the nails already have an apex, while only the French nails. The ombre nails do not have an apex. The pinky nail is going fine too. You can hardly tell that this nail was applied wrong. Then I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder. The French nails only needed about 2 or 3 layers of the clear dip powder, but the ombre nails needed a few more. Then I applied activator and waited for the nails to harden to begin my filing. So I'm just showing a little bit of my filing routine. By the way, this nail design was done a while ago, so that's why you're not seeing my McCart dust collector right now. So yeah. Now this is after filing of the nails. Next, I'm using these butterfly stickers I got from Born Pretty, and I just apply them off camera. Then using my Modelones Gel Glue and Top Coat, I apply it to the pinky and middle nail, and before curing I placed some rhinestones on the nails. Then I applied my top coat to the index and ring nail and cured for 30 seconds. So let me know what you guys think of this design. If you want to purchase any of the dip powders I used in this video, you can use my code Symone15 to get 15% off of your order. I will have the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.